Hello to everyone. I am R.Malathy from the Department of Mathematics, Snsce College of Engineering. In addition to hypothesis, I want to explain about t-test. We are having many tests under the statistics. Today we are going to say t-test. T-test is nothing but a statistical test used to compare the mean of two groups of data. Suppose if I am saying, first of all, before going into the t-test, we should know what is population, what is a sample. We have to consider population as total quantity of our blood. If you want to find our group of our blood, means we will take some sample from our body, that is called sample. So population and sample we are having, we should know what is population and what is sample. For checking whether the rice has been boiled or not, now we have to check. We have to take single rice and we have to check whether it is boiled or not. The total quantity of the rice is called population. We are taking the sample, no, that is called sample. So with the clear idea of population and sample, we can go for the t-test. That is a statistical test used to compare the mean of two groups of data. We can go for the single group of data also. Likewise I said, no, for the blood sample and the food checking, we can take for the whole class, from the whole class we can take 5 students, and that 5 students average and total class average is equal or significant or not. We can check like that. So we can compare any population and sample from the same group or from the different groups. That is called t-test. In t-test means we are having the words average, population, difference. If we are having these kind of words, now we have to identify. The given test is t-test. Mostly in the working atmosphere they will use t-test and f-test. Today we are seeing the t-test. This is the two formula we are having for the t-test. First formula is for the single mean. The second formula is for double mean. After identify the given data is single mean or double mean, we have to go for single tail or double tail. Suppose the given data is equal to or not equal to, now we have to say this, that is single tailed data. Otherwise, if we are having increased, decreased, likewise, now we have to say this is if we are having equal or not equal, now we have to say that as a two-tailed data. If we are having increase or decrease, now we have to say that as single tail data. This single tail or double tail we will use in seeing the level of significance. This is the t distribution we are having. This is the level of significance. We are having two cases. One is small sample, another one is large sample. The small sample size is less than 30. If you are having less than 30, now we can see degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom formula, we are having two formulas. One is n minus 1 for the single mean problem. Suppose if we are having two means we are having the formula n1 plus n2 minus 2. Based on that, we will have degrees of freedom. With the degrees of freedom, with the given level of significance, we have to take the merging value. That value is called table value. Finally, we have to compare the calculated value with the help of formula and the table value. We have to compare. If we are having calculated value is less than table value, means we can say the taken hypothesis is accepted. Otherwise, we have to say rejected. This is called t-test. In this t-test, this t-test usually this t-test usually will use in real world as a packages. We are having statistical packages in Python. In that we can take this as a one test package. Thank you.